Hello students, welcome back to our digital class. Today we are going to learn computer. So let's begin with lesson number 5, Formatting MS Excel. In this chapter we are going to learn change size of rows and columns, align text, indent text, wrap text option, merge and center option, apply styles to cells and tables, and apply conditional formatting. So children, can you identify this symbol? What is it? Yes, it's your MS Excel symbol. That is your Microsoft Excel sheet symbol, right? So children, you have learnt about entering data in MS Excel and using various formulae. Now you can learn how to make data presentable. This helps to read and understand the data easily. This can be done using the formatting options in MS Excel. So let's look at the main options that can be used to change the appearance of different elements in MS Excel spreadsheet. So first topic we have is changing the size of rows and columns. Now children, often the size of the cells needs to be changed to fit in the content. You can adjust the row height and column width to change the cell size. You see children, can you see this picture? Yes. See, the vertical are the columns and horizontal are the rows. Okay? Always remember, the vertical columns run vertical and the rows run horizontal. Okay? Can you see the arrows on your screen? Yes. So, you need to adjust the cell size to make the content more readable or to save space on a paper when printing. To change the cell size, you can use the format option available in the cells group on the home tab. Okay? While showing the practical, I will show you where is the cells. Okay? Now next is to change row height and column width. Okay? So, select the cells whose size needs to change. You can also select the entire rows or columns as required. Click the Home tab. Then, from the cells group, click the Format icon. Okay? So, now to change the row height, from the Format drop down menu, click Row Height. Okay? Step 2 is on the Row Height dialog box, in the Row Height box, type the new size. Okay? You can type any size there, whichever size you want. And then you will have to click OK. Then the next is to change the column width. Now how to change the column width? From the Format drop down menu, click Column Width. Then on the Column Width dialog box, in the Column Width box, type new size. Okay, you can type there also any size for the column width. And then you need to click on OK. So children, let's begin with a practical. Okay, so first we'll go to Start button. Click on that. Next, you will click on the Microsoft Office 2007. Okay, and your window gets opened, right? Can you see the screen? Okay. Now first what you have the home. Next is the insert. Next we have the page layout, formulas, data, review and view. Okay, this is your window. Okay, you have rows and the columns. Okay, this is your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Okay, here we have A, B, C, D, that is your rows, and these are your columns. Okay, and these are your rows. Okay, now see, refer to page number 34. Here you have year. Okay, what we have here? Year. So we'll type year. Here we'll type year. Okay, below that you have branch A, B, C, right? So we'll just type A, B and C. Okay, here you have year 2015. Okay, 2016 and 2017. Actually you all have years till 18, but we'll take only till 2017. Okay, here you will fill some amount. We'll put a smaller amount, 100, 500, 600, any amount you want. Okay, any amount you want you can put. Okay, now see, when we add amount, next can you see here what is there? See, even you see your textbook on page number 33, you have this. Okay, this part, can you see the insert, delete and the format option, right? So what you need to do is, see here you need to select the row or a column. For example, we are selecting a row. We'll click on insert. See, insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, insert sheet. Can you see many options? Okay, here next we have the delete. So delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns and delete sheet. Okay, so what have we selected here? See, that has moved down. Okay, now here while formatting, see, row height. See, can you see this? In your textbook also you have the row height. You can put here any height, for example 24. Okay, okay, see, this gets larger. Can you see? Now see, for column width, for suppose here we have 3.43, that is 3.43. so here you can change the value. You can make here 6. Okay, and your column gets shorter. Okay, see, again I'll show you. Go to format, row height. Okay, now see what is the height. Okay, now here it is 24. Okay, so we'll make here 30. Okay, and click on OK. See, can you see the height has increased? Okay, now same thing for column width. Here for suppose we have 6, so we'll make it 9. Okay, press OK. Can you see? So this is what change in row height and row width. Okay, I hope you all have understood what I have explained you all. So children, today you all have learned how to change the size of rows and columns practically. In the next session, we are going to learn how to align text and indent text. Thank you.